I'm doing great, comma, pause, thank you. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? I'm looking for a good restaurant nearby. I'm looking for a good restaurant nearby. Can you recommend a good book for learning American English? Can you recommend a good book for learning American English? Gang, welcome back to another video of English with Collins. Now guys, in this specific video, I'm actually going to be doing something a little bit different. In today's video, I'm actually going to help you speak English fluently, all right? And sound more like a native. In today's video, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna give you 20 different phrases, all right? And in these 20 different phrases, what's gonna happen is I'm actually going to read these phrases, and what's gonna happen is you're going to repeat these phrases right back to me. The goal of this exercise is to help you speak English fluently, okay? That is the primary goal of this specific exercise, is to help you speak English fluently, okay? So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right in. The first phrase is, how are you? How are you? Now I want you to try that. How are you? How are you? You can say, how are you? Or you can say, hey, how are you? Or you can say, how are you? I want you to try that one more time. Excellent. Let's move on. The next one is, I'm doing great. Thank you. I'm doing great, comma, pause, thank you. I'm doing great. Wait. Thank you. The comma over there is there to help you pause. All right. So when you see the first sentence, you see the comma, you pause, and then you go ahead and continue. So let's try it again. I'm doing great, comma, thank you. I want you to try it. Excellent. Let's move on. What's your name? 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 Now I want you to try it. Wonderful. That's great. Let's move on. My name is, you can put your name over there. So for me, my name is Collins. So I would say, my name is Collins. My name is Collins. My name is Collins. Perfect. Let's move on. I am from, then you go ahead and put your location. So for me, I'll say I'm from Ghana. So I am from Ghana. I'm from Ghana. I'm from Ghana. So you would have to put the location of where you're from inside of that sentence. So whether you're from Ghana, United States, Senegal, it doesn't matter where you're from. Just put it over there. So I'm from Ghana. You could be like, I'm from Romania, or I'm from Spain. I'm from Ghana. I want you to try that. Great. Let's move on. Can you help me, please? 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 I want you to try that. Great. Remember, every time you see a comma, pause. Every time you see a comma in a sentence, pause before continuing. That's great. Let's move on. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Superb. That was good. I heard that. That was good. Let's move on. Let's go to the store. Let's go to the store. Let's go to the store. Now I want you to try that. Fantastic. You're doing a great job. Let's move on. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? I don't understand. Can you repeat that? I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Amazing. Amazing. You're doing a great job. I didn't know you know how to do this. I'm so happy you know how to do this. Good job. Clap for yourself. Let's move on. It's about to get a little bit more challenging, so let's continue. I would like a cup of coffee, please. 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 I want you to try that. Nice, nice, nice. Let's move on. Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? Excuse me, pause. Where's the nearest bus stop? Remember, you're asking a question. Excuse me, where's the nearest bus stop? Excuse me, pause. Where's the nearest bus stop? Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Let's move on. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Fantastic. Let's move on. I'm looking for a good restaurant nearby. I'm looking for a good restaurant nearby. Good. I'm looking for a good restaurant nearby. I'm looking for a good restaurant nearby. Great. Let's move on. It's nice to meet you. Have a great day. It's nice to meet you. Have a great day. It's nice to meet you. Have a great day. Try that. Perfect. Great. Let's move on. Can you show me how to use this? Can you show me how to use this? Can you show me how to use this? Awesome, awesome, awesome. You're doing a great job. I'm so happy for you. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Good, good, good. I want to do something a little bit different. I want you to go ahead and comment down. Go ahead and comment down number 1. If you comment down number 1, I'm actually going to pick a lucky person to give them access to my free American English course for free, right? And I want to start doing these little small giveaways from time to time. So I'm going to do that. All right. So comment down number 1 to get a chance to enter into this giveaway, and I'll handpick and select a lucky winner. So all I'm asking you to do is comment down number 1 to get a chance to win this. The next one is, I'll call you later when I'm free. I'll call you later when I'm free. I'll call you later when I'm free. You're killing it. I like that. Good job, good job, good job. Let's move on. Now the last 3 is a bit difficult, so bear with me, okay? Let's start. I've been practicing my English every day, and I think I'm getting better. I've been practicing my English every day, and I think I'm getting better. Try that. Wonderful. Let's move on. Can you recommend a good book for learning American English? Can you recommend a good book for learning American English? Try that. And this time around, I want you to say it faster. Can you recommend a good book for learning American English? Can you recommend a good book for learning American English? Wonderful. Good job. Good job. Let's move on. I'd like to order something for delivery, but I'm not sure what to get yet. I'd like to order something for delivery, but I'm not sure what to get yet. I'd like to order something for delivery, but I'm not sure what to get yet. Great. You've done a good job. And I want you to clap for yourself. You stuck to the end of the video, and I want to say thank you so much for watching. I want you to go ahead and continue to watch this video over and over again. You can go back and replay this as many times as you want. The goal is I want you to be able to start practicing this over and over again. Okay? So every time when you're speaking, the goal to speaking in a fluent way is to consistently read as many times as you can. And when you're having conversations with people, right, make it an effort to pronounce every single word that is coming out of your mouth properly so that the other person who is listening can hear. You see, you notice how I'm speaking to you and you can hear every single word that is coming out of my mouth. You notice how I'm opening up my mouth wide. I'm pronouncing the letters inside of each word properly. The goal is I want you to be able to understand fully what I'm saying. All right? So take those tips. Practice them. Okay? And I'll be picking a lucky winner soon. Stay blessed. All right? I'll see you when I see you. Peace out.